a weight problem, with a difference. But it's not my problem, it's the bathrooms. I'm travelling in a lift in the tallest building in Europe, the Commerce Bank in Frankfurt. This 50-storey skyscraper has just opened. If I use the stairs, it would take me half an hour to climb to the top floor.
Torsten Lepper, you're the person responsible for these lifts.
Yes, we've installed 18 lifts in this building to save you the climb.
How high are the lifts?
This lift is about 186 meters.
How does it work?
It's pulled up by 9 steel ropes.
Well, I hope they're strong.
Oh yes, extremely strong.
When the lift is at rest, the force of the cables pulling up equals the downwards force of the weight of the lift. To get the lift moving, the lift cables have to pull up with a greater force than the weight of the lift. So what does this have to do with my weight problem?
Could you just help me take that, please, Torsten?
Oh yes,
Thank
see you later.
Bye-bye. These slippers should help show us what's going on. Stylish? I think so.
As I stand on the springs, they're squashed by the force of my weight pushing down. But there's another force squashing them too, the force of the floor pushing up. When the lift is at rest, the force of the floor pushing up on the springs equals the force of my weight pushing down. The forces balance. But as I start to move up, the lift floor pushes me up with a greater force, so the springs get more squashed.
We're now travelling at a constant speed. The forces balance again.
And as the lift slows down at the top, the floor pushes up less, so the springs are now less squashed than before. And it's not me, but the lift which is making the reading on these bathroom scales change too.
Scales like these actually measure the upward force of the platform on my feet. Usually this is exactly equal to my weight, so there's no problem. But when the lift starts to move up, the readings change. The floor is now pushing up with greater force, so the reading is now bigger than my weight.
The readings on all these scales change too, although none of the weights are really changing. The only way I can change my weight in this lift is by changing my mass, the amount of stuff in me.
And that looks like a tasty way of doing it. Thanks, Torsten.
You're welcome.